So here in the Hydra Simulation Centre, we create challenge-based simulated learning experiences. We try to replicate the complexities of the real world in a simulated manner.
The Hydra Suite allows you to get right into the thick of the atmosphere. We can role play scenarios, and the decision making that happens, if somebody makes what we class as a wrong decision, it's not going to affect the patient, but actually it allows them to be able to develop their skills here. And it really does make a patient-focused approach for our patients. They say that our staff are coming out really confident. And I think for our staff to know that there's a facility like this within the university, it makes people want to come back to our health board and come back to this university, and it allows us to seal that nursing, which is so important to get our numbers up and to get the number of qualified nurses out there.
This type of immersive training absolutely gives an opportunity to allow staff time away from the clinical area to have the headspace to learn. And it's really important that we offer our healthcare support workers a career structure. And what we're finding is the positives that are coming out of this is where the healthcare support workers are going on to access further education. And part of the immersive learning really is around giving them exposure to different real life scenarios. So we've been doing deteriorating patients, so they've got a space to gain to learn and to really see how their impact of what they do as part of our team has on our patients and our wider patient care.